Hi friend! Today we're learning about the letter M. This is M. M has a special sound. M. 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 M is for monkey. Monkey. Can you try now? Monkey. Great job! M is also for mouse. Mouse. Now it's your turn. Mouse. Great work. Last one for today. M is also for moon. Moon. Say it with me. Moon. Great job learning about the letter M. Thanks for joining me in the calm little corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye.